I believe that the act of creating a vision board forces you to focus on your desires, and particularly the ones that matter most to you. There is a big power in focusing in on the details of where you want to go and what you want to feel and pull into your life. The choices that you make represent a message to the universe about your desires. For years, I've been creating vision boards and dream boards and journey boards. It's a container for the map of where you want to put your focus.